So tomorrow we leave on our annual family Michigan vacation. We usually go to visit family there every summer, and I'm very grateful that we still have the chance to go this year. My packing routine usually stays the same every year, and I wanted to show how I pack. So if you want to see how I pack for a lake vacation, please keep watching. So usually when I pack, I start with the dresser in my room. So here in this drawer, I have my swimsuits. I'll grab a couple, or honestly, probably all my swimsuits since I don't have very many. I think that's good. And then move down to this drawer. And I think since we are going to be staying in a rental house instead of my great aunt's house, I will bring a couple towels. And down here, I have just like my shorts and other blankets. I'll grab my jean shorts. I have some other athletic shorts in my closet. So I think that's good in here. Then I'll go into my bathroom. In this first drawer here, I have all of my toothbrush stuff. That's my retainer. I will bring both toothbrushes. Sometimes I get lazy and I just want to use the manual one. And then other times when I really want to clean my teeth, I'll use this one. So I kind of just lay everything out on my counter. Some stuff I have to use in the morning before we leave. So I will put it away after I use it. So we'll go down to this big drawer. I will need my vitamins. This is my moisturizer that I put in one of those little pump tubes. I got it from Amazon. I have these two prescription acne medication, my exfoliator, eye cream that I put in the La Mer face lotion thing, I don't know. This is my morning moisturizer. Since it has SPF, I always make sure to wear sunscreen in the morning. And then I'll take my perfume. This is my favorite one. I'm almost out of it. And then face wash. This is my favorite face wash because it also takes off makeup and it doesn't irritate my eyes. And then I will grab my little mini shampoo bottles that I use to travel with. So that's it for this drawer. And down here really is just my hair dryer. I'll grab my little ring of scrunchies and other hair ties. And my other hairbrush. And then my dry shampoo. I refuse to say I'm a brunette, but I feel like this color works best for my hair. Now this is when I go into my closet. Usually this is where the rest of my stuff I need to pack will be. So I'll probably need jeans for we go out to dinner and if it's cold. These are just my cropped Levi's. We'll take these as my PJ pants. I'll take these leggings. I'll wear them on the car ride tomorrow. And then these are my black high-waisted leggings if I feel like I need them. Let's see, I think that's all the pants I really need because I got my jean shorts out of my other drawer. So now I do need a couple t-shirts just in case. I'll take this shirt. I'll take one of my favorites. And I'll take this shirt as my bedtime shirt. So I think that's it for that. I'll go ahead and carry this over to my other stack of clothes. So far this is what I have to pack, plus what's in my bathroom. I think I'm also gonna bring my backpack for my laptop and if I need any extra room. but I did already lay out my sunglasses and my 3 masks. These are so cute. Now let's go into my makeup drawer. I'm gonna take, I always try to take a little bit of makeup just in case I feel like putting on. So definitely will need some makeup remover wipes. Usually when I'm out on the lake, I don't really like to wear much makeup. So usually I'll just take my mascara, my concealer. Let me make sure this is, that's vanilla. I need custard. There it is. And then I'll take my bronzer palette and maybe my brow pencil if I feel like it. So that's pretty much it for my makeup. Next it's time to go here where I keep all of my shirts and sweatshirts. I need to pick out outfits. Let's see. So I feel like a white t-shirt would be really cute if I wore those light wash jeans that I'm packing. So maybe something like this. And then since I'm having my jean shorts, I can get something like a sweater. I think this one I just got from PacSun will be good, especially if it is cold. I could wear it with my jeans. And then obviously I need something casual. I think this sweatshirt if I need it. And then, ooh, a rain jacket because I know it is supposed to rain maybe a day or two. So we'll pack that. And I think since I'm only going for 4 or 5 days and we don't go out to eat every day, I think if I have 2 dinner outfits and then just some other casual shirts, I should be good. And usually I will bring a suitcase. I feel like it's easier just to roll around. I'm hoping everything can fit in this. I have this 3 size travel set. This is like a carry-on size. This is a medium size, and then obviously this one's really big. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fit everything into this one. So yeah, I think that should be big enough for all of my stuff, but we will see. So first I just put my towels right on the bottom there, and then I put in my shirts and sweatshirts, my PJs, jeans, and t-shirts. I shove my swimsuits up in there in the corner. This is my masks, my toiletry bag, makeup, sunglasses. I'm finishing up some of my laundry, so I will be adding some stuff in here later, but I think it will all fit. I don't really have too much more, and it closes, so I would say my packing was pretty successful. I really don't organize it in any way. I just throw it all in there and try to keep it as neat and sectioned off as possible. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it entertaining and useful. Next week I will be posting a little video about my Michigan trip. If you made it to this part of the video, please comment below your packing tips. I'd really appreciate it.